Here is a wonderful 2013 Mazda Mazda3. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a 3 that's poised to put the fun back into your daily drive. From its refined upscale cabin to its responsive acceleration to its captivating contours to its stable, well-balanced feel, this compact is all about pleasure and excitement. Versatile yet refined, that's the 3. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.